This is the river of my village. Just yesterday, it was clean, but now, look at it. But I can't just stand by and do nothing. So today, we will change this place for the better together. The trash here is varied, from plastic bottles to something unidentifiable. Sometimes it even makes you laugh, but more often, it brings sadness. Why am I doing this? Because I care. If everyone did something like this at least once a month, our world would be a better place. Every little action counts. Every small change we make adds up to something big. It's not just about cleaning. It's about showing that we value what we have. Nature isn't a dumping ground. It's our home. And when we take care of it, we're taking care of ourselves. I know some people might say, what's the point? The trash will come back. People will keep littering. But that's the wrong mindset. If we thought that way about everything in life, we'd never make progress. The truth is, change starts small. It starts with one person who cares enough to take action, and that action inspires others. One day, I want to walk by this river and see it as clean as it was when I was a child. I want to know that the next generation will inherit a place they can be proud of. And I believe that if we keep going, if we keep pushing forward, we'll get there. Let's not wait for someone else to do it. Let's be the ones who start the change. Together, we can make our world a cleaner, greener place for everyone. This river has always been part of our lives. It's where we've played, where we've gathered, and where we've found peace. It's a part of who we are. And seeing it polluted like this, it doesn't sit right. It's time to restore what's ours. But it's not just about this river. It's about every corner of our world. If we each take responsibility for the little things, the trash on the street, the litter in the parks, the plastic in the water, we create a wave of change. We're not just cleaning up a river. We're building a movement, one small step at a time. It may seem like a lot of work, and it is. But think about it. What's the alternative? A world filled with pollution, waste, and neglect? No, that's not the world I want to leave behind. I want to leave behind a legacy of care, a legacy of people who didn't just talk about change, but made it happen.
Man, enough talking, I'm hungry. Enough of this saving the planet and future generations. Talk the future is sitting right here, staring at you with hungry eyes. Oh no, my legs are giving out. Everything's going dark. That's it. Man, I'm going down, collapsing right here on the floor. With my last breath, I just want to catch the scent of something delicious. But all I hear is you rambling on.
So today, we've made a start. Tomorrow, we'll keep going. And the day after, we'll keep pushing forward. Because together, we're unstoppable. And we can make this place, this world, a better, cleaner, and brighter place for all of us. Today, maybe it's just us cleaning up. But tomorrow, someone else might see what we've done and decide to join. And little by little, step by step, this small effort turns into something bigger. Imagine if every village, every neighborhood, every town took responsibility for their own little piece of the world. Imagine if, instead of complaining, we all just took action. The impact would be massive. We wouldn't just be cleaning up trash. We'd be changing the way people think about their surroundings. So this is my challenge to you. Next time you see trash on the ground, don't just walk past it. Pick it up. Take action. Because the world won't change on its own. We have to be the ones who make it happen. And trust me, it's worth it. And that's what truly matters. Not just the act of picking up garbage, but the mindset shift. The realization that this world is ours to protect. And it's up to us to keep it beautiful. So as I stand here now, looking at this river, I feel a sense of pride. Not because the work is done, far from it, but because we did something. We made a difference today, and tomorrow we'll do it again. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about cleaning up a river. It's about taking responsibility. It's about showing respect for the land we live on. It's about proving that one person, one small action, can make a difference. If we don't care, who will? If we don't start, who will? I hope this inspires someone. Maybe you're watching this thinking, I'd like to help, but I don't know where to start. Well, start with something small. Pick up a piece of trash. Encourage your friends to do the same. Make it a habit, because small changes lead to big results. This is what we accomplished today. The river looks completely different now, doesn't it? But this is just the beginning. There's still a lot of work ahead, and I know for sure it's worth it.